Yo, what is going on, my fellow YouTube friends? Today we're going to be taking part of membrane keyboard. Why are we taking part of a membrane keyboard? Question is, I don't even really know. I just wanted to do it for fun. Here is a typing test for you nerds. It does not come with any kickstand. But guys, yes, we are going to be taking part of this today. Disclaimer, this video is not sponsored in any way, though I will not mention the name of any disc products I use in this video. Holy thing I didn't know that you went guys in the parties. So as you guys can see, the screw, it has like black kind of on it. It's a little weird looking, but like it has white on it. That's a little odd, but we also have some screws in this container right here. And yeah. Hello, never study going steady. Holy thing I didn't know that you went. I'm so guys in the parties. Yeah, for this screw as well, it has just this little bit of white on it for no reason. But now we got all these top screws off. There's not exactly you could pop it off, so I'm assuming we have to take all these screws off next. Hello, never study going steady. Holy thing I didn't know that you went. I'm so guys in the parties. What you saw, he mismatched. I was wet, but no need. Got a lot of love on the back set for we playing games. To avoid the crash, we did it before. I won't be there. But it's a rule. But around right, bang, ooh. I can't tell you what to do, but try to play cool. Me, I play by your rules, but try to play cool. Me, I play by your rules. Every day look better with a view. Why you always in the mood? But I like it pretty new. I ain't trying to tell you what to do, but try to play cool. Baby, I play by your rules. Everything look better. We cannot get it open. But this is like the best I can like see for the inside, because like this part will just like not budge. I have no idea where the RGB comes from though. Let's plug it back up and see where it comes from, to be exact. So it looks like there's like an RGB light panel that like comes from like right here, but at this rate, I've never seen what a membrane keyboard looks like from the inside. Looks like these are just some flimsy panels that like actually like, you know, like power the keyboard. Cause like, yeah, this is like, there's the keycaps and I can just like, I don't know if y'all can see, but you just pop one out right here and say like how they stay unducked. And then like, that's like how they stay stuck in. But, films, and then that's like what just screws it all in. I don't even know what key I'm pressing on right now. I actually scroll off. But yeah, this is actually like pretty cool because I've never seen how something like this works. So that was pretty cool for me to experience at least. But we're gonna screw this bad boy up and then give it back to my little brother because this is my brother's keyboard. So let me just grab these little baby screws and start screwing away, guys. But chat play cool. The I play by your rules. Everything look better with a view. Why you always in the mood? I like it brand new. I ain't trying to tell you what to do. Chat play cool. Baby, I play by your rules. Everything look better with a view. Yeah. What I thought though I would die. 4 hours in the film bed. Be I am not to die. It's not all you want from me. I do want your company. It's everything in the world. What part of it? All that felt with you. And you inside in it. Now we try to play cool. Behind play by your rules. Everything look better with you. Why you always in the mood? I like it. But there's my laptop right there, guys. But if I get 100 likes, I will play with this keyboard in Fortnite. Because this has so much... Oh, I don't even have my mouse. But there's also a mouse that comes with it. But if I get 100 likes, I'll play with the keyboard and mouse. But the mouse has no side buttons. So that could be very, very bad. But see you guys in the next one.